how to find and manage all of your MCP connections or servers in Deepcode CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily find all of the MCP servers associated with your Deepcode CLI. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Windows PowerShell as an administrator and then type in the Deepcode command in order to enter your Deepcode CLI. Once you have successfully entered your Deepcode CLI, simply type in a / and then type in MCP. It shows the MCP server status and available tools which you can also manage. Hit the enter button and from here you will see the list of all of the MCP servers which are currently present. In my case, I do not have any MCP servers set up, so it is showing 0 servers. No MCP servers configured, and I can add an MCP server from my settings to get started. In your case, if you see the list, simply hit the enter button to manage that particular MCP server. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.